India-China border tensions escalate once again. Another face-off between India and China occurred along the line of actual control in Tawang sector of Arunachal Pradesh on December 9th. PLA troops transgressed the LAC, which was contested by Indian Army in a firm and resolute manner. This is the first such incident in a while after the deadly Galwan Valley clash in Ladakh in 2020. The Indian government is treating the clash as a matter of serious concern.
चाइनीज पीएलए ट्रुप्स ने तवांग सेक्टर के यांगसे एरिया में अतिक्रमण कर स्टेटस को एक तरफा बदलने का प्रयास किया। चीनी पक्ष को इस तरह के एक्शंस के लिए मना किया गया और सीमा पर शांति बनाए रखने के लिए उन्हें कहा गया।
According to reports, the Chinese army had been increasing its presence in eastern Arunachal Pradesh over the past few days. The Chinese thought they could intrude, occupy and negotiate like they did in Galwan. The Chinese side has yet not confirmed any injuries, but there have been a few injuries on the Indian side. Chinese authorities have long claimed that Arunachal Pradesh is part of South Tibet. Xi Jinping's zero COVID policy has been the subject of nationwide protests in China over the past few weeks. Is this Xi Jinping's strategy to divert attention from the ongoing tensions at home? As India holds the title of President for G20 2023, Xi Jinping is expected to visit New Delhi in September of 2023 for the summit. Now what remains to be seen is if the two countries can come up with a political solution to the latest incident at the LAC. Stay tuned for more only on Start News Global.